Wowee!
Woo!
We.
Hey,
Wow.
Oh,
got
look
his
at that.
chair. Here's a star.
Ooh.
Is that two zombies? Out of here. Yay, 4th of July, yay!
Yay.
Yay, 4th of July in June.
June
America.
30th. I'll be busy that day most likely, and I'm sure
Yeah,
most people
same here.
will.
I gotta work.
So, I'd just be doing other things, so best to do it now than not do it at all, or wait until way after.
Yay. That one light
How
wasn't
many
a
did you
red one.
make?
A lot.
Jeez.
There's not that many, but yeah, I think some hoppers are already out.
This is like the real 4th of July. Too many fireworks.
Yeah.
That's the best. What are you talking about? Oh,
how
three
how
more.
many just single red ones did I put into that one?
Pathetic now.
Probably.
Oh, that's a
Oh,
different
there
one.
you go, there you go, there
Woo!
you go, there you go. How many more in here? 3. Okay, we got 3 more of those.
I like how it's red, white, and blue as well.
Yeah, I tried to do that.
Very fitting.
Oh
Yay!
my